course, right?
Yeah. Today is going to be kind of your just kind of gloomy day as we transition into kind of soggy stuff tomorrow. Tomorrow will be a rainier day and a rumblier one. Outside at the moment, it is fairly quiet, not a lot going on for your Monday. You should be able to get out and get about and do what you need to do. Our Capital Federal Savings City View camera is a little on the hazy side, and there's some moisture that's trying to make its way in, but I think most of your Monday is dry. 35 right now as you're heading out the door, grabbing the right jacket for the bus stop. East-southeast winds at about 8 miles an hour. Pancake Tuesday. Tomorrow is Pancake Tuesday. I think isn't tomorrow Mardi Gras? I think tomorrow's Mardi Gras. And all that kind of good stuff. So a good day for Pancake Tuesday. Boy Scouts Troop 282 is having their 59th annual Pancake Day. That's tomorrow from 6 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. at Trinity Episcopal Church. That's on North Liberty in Independence, Missouri. And you can go be a part of that tomorrow and help out the Scouts and have some great pancakes. And tomorrow, it'll be in the 40s with rain. So tomorrow's going to be a pretty good pancake day, too. So a good, hearty breakfast any time of day and help the Scouts at the same time. 20% chance of a little rain or drizzly, sprinkly stuff today. 100% chance tomorrow that you will have some rain in your backyard. So get your yard work done today, and then tomorrow Mother Nature will help you out with a little bit of rain. Did have an email from Carrie in Tonganoxie who said it's a little dry, wouldn't be bad to get some showers. Tomorrow might be the day. 20% chance of a leftover flake on Wednesday morning, maybe a wet snowflake. It's looking very unlikely that it would amount to anything, but it could be just a little bit of a wet snowflake start on Wednesday. Most of Wednesday will be dry, blustery, and cold. And then, look, we dry things out for the rest of the tournament in town. So if you have family and friends coming into town, they may need the rain gear when they get here Wednesday, and certainly the coats, the heavier coats. But we get into the end of the week and the weekend, and it gets to be pretty comfortable around here. There's the snow over the upper Midwest and into Nebraska and Iowa, and then we've got the moisture out in Kansas that is moving our way. And a lot of what you see here isn't quite reaching the ground just yet, but eventually it will. FutureScan kind of picks up on that. This afternoon, a sprinkle or two around St. Joe out towards Manhattan. Then tomorrow we'll have rain moving in. Now this indicates some wintry mixture tomorrow morning and even tomorrow at noontime. But I really think it's going to be too warm for anything significant in terms of wintry precip on Tuesday. Wednesday mornings are a better chance, and even there it's not a sure thing. This is midnight heading into Wednesday, and there could be a thunder shower or two. Then here's Wednesday morning, 5 o'clock, maybe a little light wintry mix, but there just isn't much there, and then that clears out pretty quickly, and we actually get some sunshine Wednesday afternoon, Thursday and Friday, both looking like dry and at least partly sunny days. So for your rush hour, breezy morning, a minor chill, 33 degrees. Lunchtime, clouds really are going to be pretty thick. You might have a sprinkle or two. This afternoon, 46, a sprinkle or two possible, kind of drab, intermittent wiper kind of day. Back to you.